Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
It is my pleasure to address on the occasion of signing of MOU between Ministry of Ayush and Ministry of Women and Child Development on integration of Ayush in Poshan Abhiyaan to work together in eliminating the malnutrition from the country to achieve the goal of Suposit Bharat. Malnutrition is one of the main reasons for the infant mortality, especially under the age of 5 years, which is directly linked with the inadequate immunity in children. The Ministry of Women and Child Development is working hard to eliminate the malnutrition. The Ministry of Ayush is also working to promote the health of the people. With the common objective, the Ministry of Ayush and Ministry of WCD have come together to work as a united force and work dedicatedly to eliminate the malnutrition to the concepts and practice of the health in Ayurveda, which includes the proper nutrition, optimum weight of the baby, proper growth, immunity, etc. In this background, I am happy to inform that Ministry of Ayush and Ministry of Women and Child Development mutually agreed to work together to integrate the Ayush into Poshan Abhiyaan and management of the malnutrition through the principle of practices of Ayurveda, yoga, and other Ayush systems.